A fiddler on the roof. Sounds crazy, no? No. Because you're in for a treat. Here at the Apollo High School Performing Arts Theater. We've been working for weeks on end just for you. Long hours, long nights, long days, practicing singing, dancing, and acting to put on a production that will be remembered for ages. Opening this Thursday, November 19th. Our production will run the 19th, 20th, 21st, 27th, and 28th at 7:30 p.m. and the 22nd and 29th at 2:30 p.m. Tickets will run $8 for adults, $5 for students and seniors, and for children under 5, you can attend for free. And if you are an Apollo student, you can come to a special student matinee, period 6 and 7, on Friday, November 20th. Buy your tickets from cast and crew members. Do not miss your chance to witness this incredible show.